Good morning, and welcome to the 21st Annual PSA User Conference. It is inspiring and rewarding for me to see that so many people took time from your busy schedule to be with us for the next 2 days. We're truly blessed to have you join us for this great learning opportunity. Our hopes are that all of you will come away from this conference with something that can help not only you, but your business to be more successful. As you're all aware, the COVID virus has made 2020 an extremely challenging year. We were pushed to be more resourceful, more flexible, and despite all of these hardships, you still managed to help more people, more families, and more businesses recover from disasters. Our heartfelt thanks go out to all of you for all of the great work that you've done. You have shown true leadership, determination in the face of the worst pandemic since the turn of the last century. Before the end of this month, we'll have reached a horrific milestone of more than 600,000 deaths in North America. I would like to take a moment to remember all the lives lost, the families who lost loved ones, the people who lost co-workers. Please join with me in a brief moment of silence. Thank you. 2021 will also be a challenging year, but with a difference. We can now see the light at the end of the pandemic tunnel. We hope that with mass vaccinations, our lives can return to the new normal. I would like to wish all of our customers great success, not only for 2021, but for the foreseeable future. Over the past year, we've produced more than 20 new feature releases for Proven Job Management, Proven CRM, and Smart Report Analytics. Proven CRM was released for the first time in 2020, and as a version 1 of any new product, it had its challenges. However, with an exceptional amount of effort and rigorous beta testing, we managed to add hundreds of changes and new features before the end of last year. Over the coming weeks, we'll be releasing our most extensive new development in more than 15 years. That product, of course, is PSA ERP. This enterprise resource planning tool will be the first of its kind in the restoration industry. It brings together a cloud-based solution containing accounting, job management, CRM, Smart Report Analytics, and 3 mobile platforms. To accomplish this task, we added a completely new development team to work alongside the amazing team that built the original PSA desktop and Proven Job Management. This, of course, was no simple task. We had to replace a desktop product which contained more than 4.5 million lines of code with a new cloud-based product created in a new language, new interface, and new technology. A little bit later this morning, I'll be taking you through a tour of our newest Proven Solutions Accounting. I think you will agree, when you see it, that it was well worth the wait. Now, it was 7 years ago that Can-Am Systems invested heavily in an Amazon server farm, with a long-term goal to host thousands of restoration contractors using a cloud-based ERP solution. At the end of this month, the realization of that long dream begins. Our goal is to provide your business with the most complete solution to successfully run and manage your day-to-day operations. From collecting your employees' time at the job site, to real-time job costs, accurate financials, to eliminating duplication, providing accountability, and ensuring transparency. There's no other solution that connects to more third-party vendors than PSA. No other solution that listens more to their customers with our project management meetings, independent user group, and conferences like this one. We are here to listen to you, the frontline users, and to make the changes necessary to meet the needs of successful restoration contractors. It has been 26 years since I started Can-Am Systems, and our focus has never changed. Make our customers better, stronger, and more profitable. Give them the tools to make smart, educated decisions so they can be the best they can be. Now, for my amazing teams, this task to strive to make you better never ends. We are planning for the next 5 years with more great tools, more integrations, and better technology. Unlike software companies controlled by private equity or large publicly traded corporations, our primary obligation is to you, our customers. When we make you successful, we become successful. I would like to end my introduction this morning with one simple thought. Tomorrow is only restricted by your imagination. This conference is your conference, and it is here for you to imagine. Enjoy the conference. There's a lot more to see and a lot more exciting things to come. Thank you, and have a great day.